will take ourselves a moment to enjoy the sounds of nature. The sound of the ocean as the waves wash in and crash on the rocks. The sound of the gentle breeze as it whips through the leaves of the palm trees, watching the clouds drift by. Feeling the lightness, weightlessness of your body as you visualize yourself floating in space. Becoming one with nature, as carefree as the clouds, the wind, swaying in the wind like the branches of a palm tree. Feeling your body soften and lighten as though you are swaying in the wind or floating in a cloud. Allow the thoughts to pass, floating by just as the clouds. Being one with thoughts, mind, and body. Soft body, gentle breath, fresh air, light clouds, gentle breeze. You can return to this point, this feeling, anytime in your mind. Remember